Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. And for today's episode, tayo naman po ay magluluto. Ayan, medyo relax muna tayo sa mga criminology matters. Ayan po, pasensya na po kayo sa aking video na ito kasi mukhang classical ang itsura, black and white. Ano po, di ko po alam kung bakit nagkaganito itong camera ko. Medyo low-tech lang kasi wala pa pong budget kaya sige na po, patience is a virtue. Baka naman swertehin tayo. Syempre talagang dumarating yung swerte, hindi yan sinasabi na hindi dumarating, talagang dumarating yan. Opo. So kahit maniwala man kayo o hindi, talagang yung swerte na yan ay walang di paawat yan. Talagang darating at darating yan sa inyo. Ayan. Pero for now, pasensya na muna kayo kasi di ko po talaga alam kung paano ayusin itong camera na ito. Sige lang, medyo okay naman din. Medyo kasi bagay naman siguro yung classical na video na ito sa mukha ni Sir Ryan. Ano ba? Anyways, today guys, we're going to cook. Ano po? Magluluto po tayo. Actually, kararating ko lang po galing sa work at nagbihis tapos nagluto. Ngayong gabi ang niluto ko ata is, ewan ko ang tawag ko kasi dito, basta ako nagluluto mga friends, ang tawag ko always dyan is may kadugtong, ang tawag dyan alapacham. Ayun. So lahat ng mga niluluto ko may pangalang alapacham. Kayo na po may alam nun kung anong ibig sabihin ng alapacham. Yan. Pero ngayon niluto ko parang sopas ata ito kasi nilagyan ko ng Bear Brand 3 kutsara o Bear Brand Becky naman. Ayan, so hinalo ko sa sabaw na hinaluan ko ng
1 billion zillion jillion billion
patola at saka repolyo or cabbage. Ayan, so healthy ba siya? Hindi ko alam, basta ang alam ko pag gulay yan, healthy yan. Hinaluan natin ng meat cubes. Ayan, tapos si Mrs. nga pala, medyo matagal na itong stock na binili niya kasi nakita namin ito sa YouTube din. Tawag nito yung
1 billion zillion jillion billion
rice noodles. Ayun, so binili niya ito sa KCC. Medyo matagal na ito, malapit na ito, isang buwan. Nakalimutan namin niluto kasi naitago pala namin sa lalagyan ng lalagyan ng biskuit. So yun, so tinago namin doon at nakalimutan na namin. So ngayon ko lang naalala at pinilihan ko siya ng mga recados at ang mga gulay. Ayun, tapos yan, mix lang yan. Ayan, ito yan yun. So syempre nilagyan ko siya ng gatas, tinimplahan, may gulay, may rice noodles, hindi lang macaroni. Pero para sa akin, pwede ko na siyang tawaging sopas. Kasi sabaw kasi siya. Spanish word ng sabaw ay sopas. Di ako sure. Sorry po. Pero 90% tama ako na Spanish ng sabaw ay sopas. Sana.
Huh?
Anyways, so pero hindi po yun ang ipapakita ko po sa inyo. Right? So bakit po sinali ko dito sa aking vlog, yung cooking vlog? Kasi meron kasi akong gustong i-share sa inyo, yung sinasabing kumakain tayo ng masarap pero mura. Ayun po. Yun. So, gusto mo bang kumain ng masarap? Kanya lang short tayo sa budget? Or talagang kuripot ka lang? Pwede naman. Sige. Kuripot.
Body lang kasi.
Sakyan ko yan. Okay? Kung gusto mo ng masarap na pagkain pero kuripot ka, sa ibang tao yan, negative ka agad yan. Gusto mo palang kumain na masarap pero kuripot ka, paano yun? O sa akin po hindi. Sige, sakyan kita, kuripot ka pero gusto mong kumain ng masarap, i-share ko ito sa iyo. Sana magustuhan mo si Mr. Kuripot or si Miss Kuripot dyan. Ano po? Yan. Idol ko itong mga kuripot eh. Kasi syempre may mga itinatago ito. How to be you po. Kuripot. Anyways, body lang so sa vlog na ito, may dalawa tayong putahe na aking isi-share sa inyo na aking niluto at syempre aming kinain ni Mrs. at ng mga chikitings. Ayan po. At saka sige, tingnan nyo na lang po yung video kung ano ang reaction ni Mrs. Yan. Kasi yung mga chikiting ayaw magpa-video eh. Medyo camera shy po sila. Anyways, darating yung panahon, ano po, pag si daddy nila ay naka-monetize na at na-feel nila ganyan pala kung magkapera, someday sila rin maengganyo rin gumawa ng mga vlogs. Alright, so ang pangalan ng putahe na gagawin ko ngayon na ipapakita ko sa inyo ay yung tinatawag na kinilaw. Yan, kinilaw. Kasi maraming nakakaalam, pag kinilaw yan, dapat mahal yan. Kasi ang isda niyan, tuna, tangginggi, yan, mga bulinaw, mahal yun. Pero sa isa-share ko po sa inyo guys, hindi po mahal. Okay, so talagang akma sa ating mga masa boys and masa girls. Ayan. So ang i-share ko po sa inyo na dish ngayon ay yung kinilaw. Siyempre, si Private Ryan ang gumawa, kaya ang pangalan niya ay kinilaw alapatyam. Yan po. So, sige. Ito po yung first na dish na i-share ko po sa inyo. Ayan po. So, just stick around guys, friends. Ayan, enjoy watching the video. Ayan, and I hope nakakatulong yung videos na ito sa inyo. Sige po. So, ayan. So, wag na tayong magpatumpik-tumpik. Diretso na! Whee! Hello mga guys, at galing po kami sa palengke at ito po yung aming nabiling mga isda. Tamban, kalating kilo, 15 pesos lang po. Yung talakito na naging bonus sa isang kilong palid, 180 pesos per kilo. Isang kilo po yan. At yung ating lapu-lapu, isang kilo at 180 pesos din. Yung recados nasa mga 40 pesos yan lahat. Okay. At kumuha po tayo ng 3 pirasong isda guys, isang palid, isang lapu-lapu at isang talakito para pang prito na haluin natin ng flavoring mix.
masisira ang buhay mo.
And there you have it, guys, friends. Ayan na po yung ating finished products. Yan, sinamahan pa po natin ng potato soup. Have you ever asked yourself, who am I really? Why am I here on earth? And what is my really reach? In the secret place of happiness, discover who you are. We uncover the hidden truth about humanity. How we grow, how our faith is manipulated, and most importantly, how we can break free. This book is just not about happiness. It's about self-discovery. We guide you to rethink the way you live, challenge the belief that holds you back, and unlock the power already inside you. Discover who you truly are, understand your role in this realm, and awaken the strength to chase the dream you were meant to live. The Secret Book of Happiness. Discover who you are. The journey to your true self starts here. If you want this book, just dial 0955-0058-271 and we will guide you how you can have it. Order now, supply lasts. Future criminologists, are you ready to take your skills to the next level? Introducing Power Practice, your ultimate companion for the criminology licensure examination. Why wait for 4th year? With Power Practice, you can start building your confidence as early as your 2nd year in Bachelor of Science in Criminology. Packed with practice questions, key concepts, and test-taking strategies, this material helps you boost your knowledge, sharpen your skills, and gauge your readiness for the big day. Whether you're preparing for a class, major exam, or the ultimate challenge, the licensure exam Power Practice has got you covered. Interested individuals can avail of copy by texting 0955-0058-271. What are you waiting for? Grab your set now and start building your future. Remember, if you plan to win your dreams, start planning and start now. Power Practice early. Think smarter, pass with power.
Great.
Hintay, hintay na.
Hi guys.
Teka!
Dinner.
Picham!
Eh mga batita, dali na kain na.
Hintay na!
Kinilaw, piniritong isda at may sabaw. Akang ano dito, sukang.
Huwag na, meron natin ko naman si...
Yan.
Ay, kinilo.
Magkamay-kamay tayo guys. Harap.
Pinamak! Teka! Jam!
Kain tayo kinilaw na isda.
Iwalay ko kay gahit tayo ng sili. Ang mga kasama ni mahilig sa sili. Ayan. Ayan. Lapu-lapu. Yep.
I think this was all you. Get to stay up late and watch a movie.
Yep. Yep. Yep.
Baby. All right, let's see what we can find.
Teka! Ayun na!
Hey, Joseph, looking late. Got the kids.
Okay, hi, doctor. Your blood and put at the door. If anyone comes to the fire,
Ito na yung ano, Charakito.
okay. Someone come in.
Charakito. Libre.
No, you're done now.
Binigay na po sa akin ito guys. Kasama po doon sa lapu-lapu na binili natin kanina. Ay, ay, ay. Ning, palid ning.
Lapu-lapu.
Palid. Palid.
Very, very quiet. This, no matter what you do, come on.
Kap. Kap, kap, kap. Ingat sa bukog.
If I'm not taking any chances, I don't want you to get on. You're not. Just leave them like they are. You take him out of there and you're wrong. We all could get killed. If I have to,
Drop.
just stay. Get behind me.
Ayun, palid. 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 Daw. Kala ko yung palid, ano? Isa lang mata niya. Flat. Palid daw yan. Kain po.
guess I know the choice. Monster knows what the friend gives you. Don't do that. You know better.
Malasa yung lapu-lapu, no? Masarap.
Oh, you're kidding. Send you a store.
Kaya na lang ang sabaw.
Then I did a street thing. I first saw you when I was 12. I had a huge crush on you. Did you sign my photo? I included $50 plus a self-addressed stamped envelope. You're the coolest. Sincerely, bring underwear fan. Kenneth Casper. I love real fans.
Yung dalawa dun sa taas.
Oh, the pretty roses.
Baba lang sila magkain mo.
I'm so sorry. Unfortunately, we have more to go on. There was a piece of my hair cut out in the middle of the night. I didn't cut it out. That means his fanboy, he's not just watching me, he's coming into my home. Why didn't they just kill me? If the guy isn't here, he may get off on some
Tarakito. Tikman natin.
The cat played with the mouse. There's no signs of possession on this floor or downstairs.
He did keep the doors locked.
We wish there was
Malasang tarakito.
Broken to my house.
Kasi dalawa.
We're going to send a squad car down periodically to keep an eye on the place. In the meantime, you keep your doors locked and your gun loaded.
Malasang tarakito. Masarap ng tarakito.
Ito, kapula ito pag sweet and sour.
Yeah, I won't doubt you. It's fine. What happened to the noise?
nothing really so good.
Hey, you must be Chris.
Yeah, how you?
Hi, good to meet you.
Yeah, me too. You went first crush when I was younger.
Okay,
Want to drink my ice?
Sorry, didn't get a big one.
that's okay. Everybody put on that one. Want a glass of wine?
Yeah.
You?
Nice.
Bago lang nila yung tubig sa...
Nice.
Oh, no. Not again. Okay.
Yung tayo, Coke.
You have to understand that even though Chelsea's grandma was a girly girl, she didn't take shit from nobody. Oh,
Healthy Coke.
Sounds familiar.
like this one time we stopped at this
Ito ang healthy Coke namin.
comes up and he whispers something in her ear. Swear to God, she wouldn't ever tell me what it was, but she said it was so bad it would make it say what it was. By this time, a whole bunch of people are coming through. She maneuvered around to let him through, and she took her big old stiletto heel, buried it in this guy's arm, and that's what he did. Exactly. And
Ay, sarap ng Coke.
done that, he dove right in and yelled. She turned,
Coke.
oh my God, I'm so
Ba yan? Coke. Oh, Coke White. Healthy Coke.
Colorless.
Becky naman. Ay, order na.
No more. I'm going to bed.
Sorry, I was looking at you.
Sure. Yeah. Let me get my pen.
Oh, no, I got one here. Here you go.
Here you go.
Thank you so much, Steve.
You remember to walk up.
Kaya ng maskara ginagamit pag mga patay. Or siya? Yan o.
Kopya-kopya yan sa Friday the 13th. Panin?
Gusto nga ako. Dami kailangan. Natin mo, umalis ang boyfriend natin. Pinapirma niya pa yung mask. Tayo.
Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. See you next cooking vlog. Point.